Want ChatGPT to sound more relaxed and conversational? Let me show you how to switch it to friendly tone on your Samsung Galaxy A56 device. Okay, first open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Tap the menu icon to open the sidebar. At the bottom of the menu, tap your profile name. From there, select personalization. Tap paste style and tone. You will see different tone options available. Choose friendly, warm, and catchy. Okay. Once selected, ChatGPT will respond in a more casual, warm, and conversation style in your feature chats. That's it. Your ChatGPT is now set to friendly tone. This is great for casual conversation, brainstorming, or everyday question. Okay. To save, tap check icon. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.